Here I am up close and personal with New Mexico 1, a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 here at the Albuquerque International Sunport. What a great way to have a Southwest Airlines airlight representing our home state, and then of course in the biggest city of New Mexico here in Albuquerque. Cannot beat this view. A Boeing 737-800 New Mexico 1. Can't beat this. Sorry, it's been a while since I posted, but I cannot seize this moment to get this absolute great moment. Having the livery of the Boeing 737-800 Southwest Airlines livery New Mexico 1 here in my home city and our home state. Everybody gonna be viewing this around the world.